So I'm Ben. I host the Honorable Partner podcast. Today I have on my cousin Rachel. She has made that cleaning. Um, so Rachel, you've called me a few times with like being very close to shutting down your business. Are you still as hesitant about it? Are you happy that you didn't shut it down, or do you still want to quit?
Oh, no. No, that was so long
Long time
ago.
ago.
I mean, not that long ago. It was like a year ago, but like a year ago, I was like not even a year ago, like probably this like
It was like six
spring. I
months.
was Yeah, 6 months. I was like, I don't know if it's gonna work. It was because like I couldn't find very good cleaners. And that was like the main problem that was like freaking me out. Like the cleaners kept doing bad or I just couldn't find any good ones. But I don't know, we, like, kinda, like, put in place, like, a hiring process now that is definitely able to, like, find more reputable, good,
Reputable.
high quality, like, cleaners. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah,
how
so I'm
many?
definitely not thinking of.
So I guess how long have you been doing it? Like how many years?
Well, I started cleaning when I was 17, actually.
Okay.
So, I was working at Bobcat. I did not like it at all, and, like, on the lunch break, I'd, like, go on my phone and think, like, "Okay, what else, like, could I do?"
Oh, sure.
Like, where I could kinda, like, be my own boss and make a little more money, and, like, house cleaning was one of them because I helped someone house clean, like, a year before who hired contractors to help her clean houses.
Yep.
So, yeah, I started like that pretty much,
So
clean houses on
you
my own.
Okay, so you worked at 17 as a house cleaner, and then at what age did you actually start your own business?
You mean,
Or were
like, hiring people, or you mean, like, registering as, like,
I
a.
mean, doing your own contract work and finding your own clients and all that. Was that 17?
Yeah. Well,
Oh, okay.
it was like I started I was technically 17 when I started, like, cleaning houses, but I don't it was, like, 1 month before my 18th birthday that I,
Okay.
like, registered,
Oh,
as, like, a sole
okay.
proprietor.
I thought you started working for somebody cleaning houses. Is that not what happened, or
Oh,
did you start
that
like
was
that?
no, that was
Okay.
well, I guess kind of. I did that a little bit, like, the year prior. So I, like, cleaned for someone for, like, a few times a year prior,
Mhm.
but it wasn't, like, a ton at all, really. So, yeah, and then a year later, I basically just started it on my own.
Okay. So, and from what I gather, you're finally getting into a position of you're like, "This is worth it."
Yeah, actually, I know. After, like, I told myself, I was like, "Okay, I'm gonna try this for a year, and, like, if for some reason it doesn't work out, I will be okay to quit, but I just have to do it for a year." And literally, like, a month or 2 before it was a year, I was so freaking close to quitting, but I,
Yep.
like, told myself, I was like, "No, just do it for a year, like, at least to prove to yourself, not, like, anyone
Yeah.
else, but you tried for a year."
And then now do you
And
see yourself just continuing to keep going?
yeah, yeah, I feel like we just keep going up now. It's kinda, like, crazy because like, 6 months ago, I was like, "Oh my god, like, the business is, like, falling apart,
Yep.
whatever." At least that's how it felt, but kind of always feels like that. Um, but
Yes.
yeah, now it definitely feels like, we're definitely going up, doing more for sure. It's crazy.
What do you think the turning point was? What changed from when you were like, "This is all falling apart"? Because I know for a fact there's other people. I mean, I've ran a business. Uh, a lot of my friends have run businesses. There's almost always their moments of like, "What am I gonna do?" But what do you think changed from that point 6 months ago when you wanted to quit to now? What was like, what caused it to go from "This is terrible" to actually starting to figure it out?
So I hired a mentor to help me because I didn't know what I was doing and I was like, I need help. So like I watched a bunch of YouTube videos on how people grew their own cleaning companies and
Is that the same
I did
guy
like
that I
Zoom
talked to the other day? The
yeah.
mentor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
that
you
was him.
so you hired him like 6 months ago? Or was that a little bit longer?
Yeah, pretty it was
Oh,
it
really?
was It was, like, 7 months ago, I would say. So, yeah.
Okay. Um, so he was able to give essentially just better guidance of like how to do it and how
Yeah.
to not
Yeah.
screw yourself.
Yeah. Yeah. He like, basically, I got to learn from all of his mistakes. And
Nice. Well, we do the same. So
yeah.
we have this. I don't know if I told you. We do the same thing. We're in this group called Pest Control Millionaires, and it's a mastermind group where essentially these guys that are really successful with it mentor pest control companies. But what it does is it keeps you from making a bunch of like early level mistakes, and they can tell you basically how to do things. Like we initially we focused, okay, buy our 290 bees, like we kill your bees for you. It's 290. We used to focus
Mhm.
that, and that makes sense, right? You make $290. But from this pest
Yeah.
control mastermind, they were able to tell us like, actually, you don't care about the 290. What you want to do is build that into your subscription, which is $200 every quarter, $800 a year. So if you sell a subscription, you make $800 in that year instead of the 290. So now when we go and like sell the B job, we're always trying to sell the subscription as well. They are able to essentially tell us what to do and how to make more money. And you feel like that's what your mentor did for you?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, he definitely helped me a lot.
Um, and then do you think you'll keep working with him going forward?
Yeah, I'll probably keep working with him for at least like 6 more months, maybe a
Yep.
year even. Really, I guess like depending, because I think he has like really good insights and advice, and like I will use him as much as I can until like I
Yeah,
feel like I don't, not necessarily like that I don't need him, but like where I don't really want his guidance anymore. Because I feel like I don't need him right now, but I want his guidance.
sure.
So,
Well, he's helped you overcome essentially like so far the hardest part of your business.
yeah.
He helped you sort out the shit show basically. Um, and when I
Yeah.
talked to him, honestly, he seemed perfect for what you're trying to do. For anybody listening, what's your vision for your company and your lifestyle essentially?
Um, I guess I want um so I originally found like this other dude who had this huge cleaning business, and he was like talking about how to make a remote locally owned business. So like, you don't necessarily have to like be at the location 24/7. You can run your business remotely. So that that is my dream and vision, like, I don't always have to be in North Dakota, at least not during the
Yep.
winters, and can go, like, other places and still run my business. So, yeah, that
So running it,
that is pretty much my vision.
okay, running it remotely
Yeah,
and being able to travel.
yeah, pretty much. Like, yeah, I like doing, like, all the admin work, like, all the computer stuff. I really do enjoy that a
Huh.
lot, so I feel like it definitely
Dealing with clients
fits
that hate
in
you,
my life.
dealing with
Yeah.
clients that hate you. Well, essentially, as a
Yeah.
business owner, that's going to ladder up. Your employees are just going to like, talk to my boss, and then it goes to you, and then you're like, I'm sorry they fucked you up. I'm sorry they screwed you over or whatever happened. How
Yeah.
close do you think you are from achieving like fully remote? Like,
How close
yeah,
I am?
to
Um,
going fully remote.
I think I mean, I could now, honestly, like, yeah. Like, I could go on a vacation and I'd probably be fine
Yeah.
because, like, all the cleaners, we like, we don't have an office location or anything. So, the cleaners, are contractors, so technically they aren't, like, required to report to any building. We do everything online. We show them the jobs online, we give it to them, we pay them online. And,
Okay.
like, I have a VA who's handling, like, a bunch of stuff right now, and, she's, like, the manager and, she's online. So, it's not really that much in person until, like, the cleaners go to your home and clean and
Yep.
everything, But yeah, so I could probably go on a trip right now and it would be fine.
Okay. So I guess the play is to do what you're doing that's already working and do more of it.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, because yeah, it is remote pretty much already, but
Yeah.
I still, like, check in with the cleaners time to time to see how they're doing and everything, see how the cleanings are going, but
You ever just look at that and be like, I made so much progress?
yeah, well, like, I know, like, I always look, like, forward, I'm like, "I'm not where I wanna be at, oh my god," but then I forget to look back and be like, "Oh my god, like, 6 months ago, I wasn't even, like, close to where I am now," like, it's insane the amount of progress I have made. Yeah. Yeah, like, to look back, even well, a year ago, a year not a year, like, a year and, like, 4 months ago is technically when I started hiring people, and, like, now I
When
have enough cleaners where I can go remote and do the business remotely, etcetera.
and I
So, yeah,
imagine
it is
that's when it
crazy.
started feeling when like a legit business is when you're like bringing people on and not doing the work yourself. Was it scary to make that jump of like doing it all yourself and being able to make sure it's rock solid and then bringing cleaners in?
Yeah. Yeah, that was scary. Um, yeah, I don't know, I'm trying to think. It was scary at first because I lost, like, some clients because they liked me and they didn't want, like, someone else clean
Yeah.
for them, but most of my clients stuck around. Most of my clients liked the cleaners that I had, so
Yep.
they did stick around.
Yep.
But, yeah, it was
So
definitely scary because, like, I like to control things to an
yeah.
extent, and giving off the control to other people is hard at times.
Yeah. I was well, so my handyman business that I had before partnering with Nick Rustler, who founded Honorable Pest Control, I was honestly like, did I don't think I could have brought somebody in because I was too OCD about it. Like, I would have been
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
"You freaking set that mailbox a centimeter too tall. Fire! I'd fire you.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Fire him because it's not perfect."
Yeah.
But do you agree with the rule of like 80% is 100% when you're outsourcing? Like, if they can do it 80% to what you would do, then it's good enough. Have you heard that?
I mean actually, no, this is the first time I heard that, and
Really?
I don't know what to say to that because, like, cleaning, I want them to do a good job.
Oh,
If
sure.
anything, I wanna hire cleaners to do better than me, because I am, like, not an OCD person at all, but when I'm cleaning other people's houses, I am extremely OCD.
Okay.
So, I feel like if they do it, like, 90% of, like, what I would do, they would probably be okay because I tend to go above and beyond sometimes, so,
Have
yeah, if
you
they do,
heard
like, 90%.
you've heard of, like, Gary Vee, right? Or no?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
think
I
he
read a
said
book on
that.
him, like, a while ago. Oh, was
Okay.
that him? Maybe.
I th
Probably, he says a
I
lot of things.
but I also disagree, like, you kind of wanna build it in a way that whoever's doing the role is better than you would be,
Yeah,
I think.
that's what I would think. Yeah, I mean, I love when, like, I find people who are just really OCD in general. I'm like, "Oh, you're definitely a keeper."
You love people that
Yeah.
have personality disorders.
I guess it is, but, like, not to, like, that extreme, not to, like, monk extreme, but, like, to to, like, a little bit where it's like, "Oh, wait," where they do their job better. Yeah, not monk, though, that would be
Well, you said you
terrible.
have 1 cleaner. Now these cleaners are performance-based, right?
What do you mean? Oh,
Like,
yeah,
they're pay
pretty
per
much. And, like,
you
how
said
well they do. Like
you said you have this 1 cleaner that's, like, takes so long, does it so good that you, like, love it, but you also wonder if she's making any money.
yeah, I don't know. I've talked to her about it. She just says that she wants, like, the clients to have a good cleaning, and
I
I
mean,
think she's really OCD, so
that is a dream cleaner, though. I mean, you want that.
Yeah, yeah, you do, and if they're okay with it, like, I have told her multiple times, I'm like, "Hey, like, this house was technically only supposed to take around, like, this estimated
Yeah.
time, and you were here for 2, 3 hours longer," and she's like, "It's okay, I just wanted to make sure it was really good," and I'm like, "Okay, but just so you know, you don't have to, like, go this intense, like, they love it, yes, but I don't want you, like, to also be screwed over with it," and she's like, "Oh, it's fine," and I'm like, "Okay." Okay.
That's hilarious.
It's definitely
I used to clean
I
Airbnbs.
mean, I guess it's like a what?
I used to clean Airbnbs
Oh oh,
as a
yeah, yeah, I remember
job.
that.
My first job outside of working for my
Okay.
dad. Now, what type of cleaner do you think I was?
What type of cleaner? Um, wait, no, we cleaned it together once.
Well, that was
I
okay.
remember.
That was my brother's Airbnb, but I actually worked for an Airbnb cleaning
Oh.
company
Oh. Oh.
in
Oh, you did?
town. Yeah,
I didn't
for
know
like
that.
summer. Yeah,
Oh. Huh.
I think I
I
was
didn't know that.
15, 16.
What kind of Oh, okay. What type of cleaner were you? Oh
Yeah.
gosh. I feel like I feel like you wouldn't be that OCD. You'd just be like, "Wiped. Good." What?
I was pretty OCD. Honestly, I wasn't very good at cleaning, to be honest.
Yeah, well, that's I could see you being, like, OCD over, like, something really small that doesn't matter, but then there's, like, a mess over here and you're, like, wiping it, and then you're like, "Eh, it's good." And then, like, something over
So
here, you're like, "Oh, shit."
that's actually something I'm working on, is being less OCD about things that don't matter. Like, you want to be OCD
Oh,
about
yeah.
the important things. You want to like
Yeah.
do a great job. For things that don't matter at all, you don't want
Yeah.
to be that crazy about it.
Yeah, true, like, you wanna be OCD for, like, the 20% of stuff that is moving you forward.
Yep. Yeah.
I don't
Literally.
know if that makes sense.
No, 100%. Well, I know this is kind of a short podcast, but I'm here at Chipotle and I gotta get some Chipotle before my next one. Um, but I appreciate you coming on, Rachel. Maybe I'll have you on again and have, I don't know, more of a focus, I guess. But I think this is good.
Yeah, yeah, I enjoyed, talking to you, Ben, and I will probably talk to you later. Catch up with you sometime.
Yeah, we'll be on right after this. But heck yeah, appreciate you coming on. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, bye.
Bye.